Welcome to the installation guide for Fishbone Off-Road's front bumper for Chevy GMC's 2016 to 18 Silverado and Sierra. Step 1. Remove the existing or factory bumper. We show how to do this in another video linked below. Step 2. Install your pod lights, sensors, light bar, and winch according to the manufacturer's instructions at this time. Step 3. With the help of a friend, hold the bumper up to the frame and secure it by reinstalling the factory bolts with a 15mm socket. Followed by reassembling the grille. This is optional, but we recommend removing or trimming your mud flaps to help with the overall look of the vehicle. And you're done.